Yo, yo. What up, chat? Good morning. Welcome, welcome. Welcome in. W's in the chat. Let's go.
He saved my soul from getting defeated, saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. See, this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sin is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Cause the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest. So man, I won't let the enemy rest.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is good? W chat. Good to see you guys, man. Good to see you guys. Welcome in. Welcome in. Happy Tuesday. Y'all ready to roll? It's game time, baby. It's game time. All right, perfect. Perfect, perfect. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome in. What up, George VDM? What's good, my boy? What up, Louis G? Louis G is in the house. All right, perfect. Zoom link is out. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. What up, George? What up, Lewis? What up, Buzz Blab in the building? Dropout Traders in the house. Mr. Mac is in the building. What's good, Tamra? What up, Scott? Got a trades here. What up, got a trade? What up, Richard Lewis? Z Gamer is in the house. Z Gamer's in the house. Rapid Max in the building. Yanosh is here today. What up, Yanosh? What's good, everybody? What up, Marcus? What's good? What's good? What's good, Purpose? What up, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages? Welcome in. Welcome in. If you guys can give the stream a like as you settle in, that would be fantastic. Let's go ahead and get started. What up, Mr. Lopez? All right. Magnus in the building. What up, Magnus? What's up, AJ? Hey, yo. All right, Zoom is good. Let me just move my chat. Let me lower the music. How's the music? Music all right? Talk to me, chat. How's the music sound? If it's too loud, let me know. Music good? Music good? All right, cool. All right. Anyway, let's get it going here. Howdy doody, everyone. Welcome in. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys are doing good. Good afternoon, good evening, and to I think most of you guys, good morning, right? It's morning here, so I'm ready. I'm fired up. I hope you guys got your why in front of you here today. Hope you know why you're doing what you're doing. Hope you know why you're even logged into this live stream today, trying to learn how to maneuver through these markets. You're going to need that why on your side, and it's going to come in clutch for you. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm just super grateful to do this. So let me give thanks to the Lord. You know, we have no shame in just shouting out the Lord, man, because the Lord has done a work here, and it's been an incredible work, a work that I could not have done on my own. So I just want to praise him publicly, and we'll get started. Father in heaven, Lord, I thank you, Lord. I thank you for what you've done here. I thank you for the vision that you painted in my heart early on, and then to see it, Lord, to see it unfold and the lives impacted, it just makes me so emotional, Lord. Just increases my faith, increases my belief, Lord. I pray for your people here today. You said you would impact them from the very beginning, Lord. So we thank you for that impact, and we just give you all the glory here publicly in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Wow. What a work. What a work of the Lord. Man. Amazing. Amazing. Gets me emotional, gang. Almost got a tear in my eye here. Just to see, you know, what's been done and the lives that have been impacted, and the hearts that have been changed. And, you know, this goes way deeper than trading for me, way beyond trading. It's super cool to see. It's super cool to see a community come together and, you know, sharpen each other and make each other better. And, you know, I'm just in awe by the work of the Lord. So it's an honor for me to be here to hang out with you guys and do this work that I've been called to do. So we're gonna have some fun here today. We're gonna talk about some things that matter. We're gonna get into the charts, see if we can get a trade off here and get on the board here on this lovely Tuesday, and let's see what we got in store. So let's take a look. Today is the 21st of May, so cruising in towards the end of the month now, right? Tail end of the month here, and it's Tuesday, right? So not too much ahead of us here today. There is some speeches going on with the Fed, obviously, but they're not going to really have any massive impact, some like abrupt type of impact here today. We'll know when they're speaking. You know, they are speaking during some high volume time, so things could kick up for us here today. There is CPI today on the CAD as well, so that's going to probably bring some volatility into the markets here when it comes to trading gold here as well. So that's pretty much it ahead of us. Ahead of us here today, and let's get into the charts. Let's do a breakdown. What time is it? We got 1 minute for the candle to close here, so let's see where we're at, and let's do a top down analysis. Y'all ready? Ready to go? What up, Kelvin? What up? Stephen B is in the house. That's good, Stephen B. How you feeling today, bro? Good. All right, let's do a quick top-down analysis here so we can see where we're at in terms of positions here. So taking a look at the daily time frame. So daily's been running up here. We're pretty bullish at this point. Let me grab these. We are pretty bullish here, right? As you can see, we've kind of created support. Last candles have closed massive bullish candle here. Very nice closure here as well. Now, one thing we can notice is we did break the low here, right? So we did break the daily low, but notice how there was no follow through. So this candle can easily begin to come back up, break the highs here, and fill the wick. So let's take a look at the 4 hour here. 4 hour is bullish, right? We did create support. Let me just lower the music a little bit. I don't know. Seems loud. Yeah, it might just be my headphones. All right. So we did create support here on the 4 hour chart, right? We are pretty bullish. We can say that this is a potential 4 hour fake out right here for price to continue driving up to move in favor of the daily here. So I am very bullish on gold here today. Now let's take a look at this 1 hour candle. It looks like we did close here above on the 1 hour time frame. You also have a support right here. This is your current range. It is 1 minute into this candle, so I do want to see this candle make a bottom wick, right? So this is us breaking that 4 hour high now. Perfect. Current 4 hour high has been taken out. If we can make a steeper bottom wick, that'd be great. You have a wick to fill here, and then you've got clean range today. You got clean range here today, chat. So price is very simple here. You're in this range right now from 24.16 to 24.19, right? And we've just broke out. So let's mark this up. Yeah, these buys are not bad here. If we can come down and break the low, I'm gonna have an entry on the break of the highs here. So yeah, you got resistance here. This is your range. You gotta break out here. You've got very clean candles moving up towards 24.30 here. Very, very clean range. And then, you know, same thing to the downside. 24.10-ish is looking pretty good. So that's kind of the day. We may have a position here. We may have a position. That's why I'm rushing through this a little bit. But I don't want to just, you know, I want to see us maybe come down and make a better bottom wick and then get in. Yeah, if we can make a steep one, I'll get in on the flip. If it's gonna just break the lows here, come down, then I would, you know, have to get in on the high. But yeah, that's the day. That is the day. This may take off. I was a bit caught off guard here, so this may take off. I don't want to enter here, so I want to see if, you know, maybe it'll come back down for me. But what's good? What up, Pete the G? You're in the buys? Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, these are good. These are good. I'm a little too late, though, to take an entry right now. Yeah, 15 minute, you have a resistance. So my next step here, I do believe we can push up pretty heavy here. So this wick right here represents a 15-minute resistance, right? So if you're not in on this trade like I'm not in, then you could easily just go, okay, well, I'll wait for a closure above here, and then you can take your buys above, right? You got clean candles to the left. What's up, Chala? What's good? What's good? OGH in the building. What's up, brother? I'm a buyer right now. Let's go. I'm rooting for you, man. I'm rooting for you. Yeah, anyway, man, we were kind of rushed into that there, so I kind of had to speed through the analysis, but any questions, any comments, concerns on this top-down analysis here? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. All right, cool, man, cool. So yeah, if you guys happen to be in this from the 30, beautiful. Beautiful. You got 17 pips there, filling this wick very nicely. Yo, what up, Felix? Good morning. What's up, Xander? My man Xander. Xander in the house. Jason in the house. What's good? Man. I wanted this. Nice closure above here. That was the break of the 4-hour high too. Filling the wick there. All good. W, anyone who took the buys, W. Great playbook position. What up, Andrew? Morning, bro. Morning. Took a loss on that celery play. What up, Kingston? At 5 a.m. 5 a.m. This one? This one right here? Yeah, this is a beauty. Nice little run up to fill that wick. There should be plenty of volume here today. There's a lot of clean ranges here. A lot of clean room here for gold to move around today. Yeah, yesterday was nuts. You know, see, sometimes it's okay to miss these moves because they're just building up a new range for you later. You know what I mean? Like everything, this game is in a way like chess. You know, you're always looking for that next, what's coming next, right? This whole move down, even though we didn't get any clear entries in, maybe 730, I think there was a decent opportunity. or 7 or 7:30. Yeah, but you know, price made clean range for us now to come back around and trade within these ranges here. So it's totally fine. Totally fine. I took buys yesterday right after the stream when we it was this move right here. It was off it was off the 15. $30 minutes. 30 minute. Where is it? It's right here. This one right here. Actually, I'm glad I took my profits here. So I took profits right here on this trade. I kept a really tight stop below the current 1 hour candle. Now look, the 1 hour looks so clean to move up, but being that this trade was taken off the 30 minute, the 15 closed a no top wick here. So basically just waited a couple seconds, let it push up a little bit further, close my position, and I'm glad I did because the next candle came down, wicked all the way down, right? Just disrespected the 30 lows, respected the 1 hour lows, and just kept moving on up. So I think it was a good closure. I've seen a lot of you guys in the Discord took it, as well. So W. Some of you guys hit B, some of you guys got partials. Yeah, it was a good trade. All right, so we're not looking the hottest here around this 15-minute support. So let's see what happens. You got the wick fill, but I am very bullish here today. 4 hours bullish, daily's bullish as well. If you do close above this 15 now, you're now re-breaking the 4 hour high, right? After breaking the previous candle, coming down and re-breaking that high, that's when you should see the bigger push. And that could potentially happen here at NY Open. Yeah. 20 minutes. No, in 40 minutes. What's up, trader next door? Next doors. Trader next doors. What up, Wags? Hey, give me a sec. I drank like a gallon of water here already today. Let me use the bathroom. I'll be right back. All right. Oh, wow. So can we get the bottom wick here for the 1 hour candle? Maybe. What's up, awareness? Awareness in the house. Can we take a look at charts for stream? Absolutely. Absolutely. Is it me or is the music loud? I don't know. I think it's just my headset. Let me share my sound with Zoom. I always forget. I always leave the Zoom guys hanging. No music, just boring. It's me talking. All right. Wow. So now we're coming down to make a bottom wick here. We did fill the wick first, but anyone who was waiting for a bottom wick, you're a G. You're a straight up G. Like, you stayed out of a trade. Most dudes cannot even do that. They're like dogs. Gotta get it. It's a little loud. Let me check. All right, cool. That should be good. You're going to hit 100K subs, bro? We'll see eventually. I'm sure we will eventually. If it's in the plan, it's in the plan, man. It's already written, man. It's already written. I waited. Hey, let's go. Those of you guys who did take it too, don't worry. You're not, you know, that was a good trade. But those of you that didn't are just, you know, next level G. You know, in the beginning, there was no way I was going to let a trade go without me. Like, no way at all. In the beginning of my career, absolutely not, dude. It's time to trade. When I get to that desk, it's time to trade. You know, there was no holding back. Right? Remember how we were looking at it? I was like, I'm a little too late here. Like, I don't want to take the entry. Bro, I would have been in that. I would have been like, I don't care. We're going to the moon. There's no way we cannot run 100 pips. Nick Stewart, am getting into a trade right now. It has to do that. What's up, Jamil? Good morning. Dominic in the house. All right, let's have a look at these charts here. So let's start here. So 1 hour, 4 hour breakout. This was during London session. Let's take a look at this. 4 hour bearish breakout right here. Okay. 1 hour breakout. Okay. 30-minute resistance. Entry on the break of the 4 hour lows. Got 10 pips. Spread was so bad. 4 hour, but what could I have done better? So I believe you were still bullish on the daily here, right? So you were bullish. If I'm correct here, I believe this was the break of the daily low as well, right? One of these, maybe, unless it was this one. But I don't really see anything you could have done better. It looks like you were using current candle stops. You had your breakout. You had your breakout on the 4 hour, breakout on the 1 hour. Yeah, you had a high volume. I see this came in at 3 o'clock in the morning, so that was right around London Open. Yeah, I mean, I don't think you really could have done much better. The only thing you could have done was maybe paid attention to like how wicky it is here, and then waited for like more so of a celery play. Because remember, before we really discovered the whole 4 hour idea, that we were basing everything off the daily, and in this case the daily, you would have definitely needed a range 2 to avoid a fake out, right? So that's probably what I would have done maybe a little bit differently, is just kept that daily candle in mind, understanding that we're bullish, right? Very bullish at that too. So yeah, other than that, pretty good trade. You know, I could see why you took this trade. Yeah, if you guys took, if any other of you guys took this trade, I think it wasn't bad. I just think maybe we could have looked at the wicks a little bit, and then you know, kept the daily in the back of our mind there. Let's take a look at this one here. Gold buys. So bullish bias. New 4 hour open went up without decent top wick. Price started ranging. Okay. 4 hour low, bottom wick. All right, closed above, entered on the break of the high here. All right. Yeah, that was at what time? 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Yeah, that created that 15 high. Okay, yeah, I see it. Yeah, nice job. Nice job. TP1 was here. Okay, I see what you're looking at. All right, perfect. Yeah, what a nice candle there. Beautiful candle. All right, let's take a look at this one. 4 hour close bullish back in the range. Yeah, this is the trade just now. Yeah. Yeah, this one wasn't bad. You did get a closure above. Again, I would have been in there had I been settled onto the desk here, but you know, we were doing the breakdown and I think it was like right here when we were looking at it. So yeah, that was a good trade. I would have definitely went break even at this wick fill, and then I think I would have got stopped at B either. Yeah. Yeah. And that's where we're at now. 7 a.m. trade. Mike Go took it as well. Yeah, I agree. I'm down for this trade. I was just a little too late on it. Yeah, wick fill, definitely BE, but you closed 80. I think I probably would have closed 2 because it's nice and early in the session. Get a win under your belt. Yeah, nice job. Nice job, guys. Nice, nice, nice. All right, back downtown we go. So 15-minute resistance is a problem here. It's a problem. 4-hour flipping bearish again. We did break daily lows as well. Right, we broke daily lows earlier, but there was really no follow through on the break of those lows. So it could also just be a pack runner here. You know, this is a huge 4-hour closure here today. Because if you close like similar to how you look, man, buys are going to be so great coming up towards like 24.30, maybe even up towards like 24.44 up in this range here. But you will have basically a celery play, right, to move up. Break of the highs would be your entry, and then you could see a really big, you know, 4-hour candle on the next one. So we'll see what happens. We'll see, because just as easy as that could happen, we can re-break the low, break the daily lows, and then close like this, and then we're good for sells coming down later. So yeah, there's a couple ways we can go here. Or we could just close with, nah, I'm not even gonna speak this scenario. Yeah. One or two of those options would be best. I got in a 5-minute celery on the 1 hour when it broke the highs. Any advice? I think the 5 minutes like weak, really weak confirmation. So I don't have much advice down there because I don't trade that time frame, because I literally lost the majority of the money that I lost learning how to trade was due to the 5-minute time frame. Yeah. So I don't go down there. I don't go down there anymore, man. Got nightmares down there. Yeah, I probably lost a good like 15 grand trading on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, it was not fun. 5 minute owe me some money. That's true, Scott. What up, Scott? Good morning, bro. Don't get me wrong, it was a lot of fun. Had a lot of fun, a lot of trades, but they just weren't good, and at the end of the day, it cost me. Do you think it's still bearish? What I think now is buys or sells are pretty good below 24.16 here, and then buys are pretty solid if you can get a re-break of that 4-hour high there again, and close above this 15-minute resistance. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking here today for now. You got a 1-hour close in about 35 minutes. 30 is going to close here in 8 minutes, so we'll see where we're at. This range is okay today. I think it's like a 50 pip range. Yeah, 55 pip range, so it's not bad. There's a couple wicks here that we need to be aware of. You know, same thing on the 15, a little support, but if we get high volume, we should be good to fill that wick. Yeah, the wick fill is like, could probably get like 25, 30 pips out of that. Probably a lot of lessons and reps on the 5-minute. Yeah, I did. Yeah, there was a lot of reps. You know, the 5-minute helped me understand how powerful the 30-minute candle is and how powerful the 15-minute candle can be during the right times. Because like the 5-minute would present these opportunities, but they were 5-minute opportunities. You know, they would give you like maybe just a couple pips, and then you'd run into some trouble where I would begin to realize like, damn, if I would have just waited on the 30, I would have had much more of a cleaner move, much clearer analysis, and more pips, you know. So that's when I was like, all right, let me just stick with this 30-minute, you know, time frame, 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, and just lay off the 5. And I haven't really gone back since. I heard you mention if price forms a wick at the pullback, enter on the flip. If it breaks the lows, enter on the re-break of the highs. Yeah, I think you're talking about, so basically like there's a couple different ways you can enter positions, right? But let's just say you have a candle looking like this and you want to trade the next candle, right? And a lot of times price will roll bearish real quick on the open and then kind of move up, right? So when it does that, it kind of creates this new low, right? And then it begins to move up. So I like to enter on this low. That's probably the best bet, because once you break that low, you should go on and fill the wick. So if I'm going to enter on the current candle lows, most days or most trades, I'm going to try and keep my stops like up here, right? So because we can always come back up and re-break this high, but then still continue down. So I want to keep my stops up there. Now let's say that this candle here it doesn't look like that, right? Pay attention to the wicks. Let's say that this candle, the wick looks something like this right here. So what I'll do there is I'll just enter off the break of that low and then keep my stop sitting above here, because if we're just like in a downtrend, if you're creating a high and then a new low, right? If you break that low, you should create a new low, right? Somewhere down there before coming back up to create a new high to go lower. So that's exactly what this is if we have created a high already, right? And now we create a low, you come up, you make that high, which is like, let's say this one. And then once you break this low, which is the bottom wick on this candle, you should do what? Make a new low, right? Way down there. So that's typically where you'll see me enter, keeping my stops right above here, because if we're breaking that low here, we should not come back up and break the high, right? That just wouldn't make sense. So if I'm going to be wrong, I want to be wrong here, not up here. And, you know, typically we will be right, and this will give you your drive, right? And it'll do something, and you could, you know, make some money or whatever. But that's like the scenarios in which where I would use stop losses, where I would use entries, and why. Yeah, just like the trend, just like a downtrend will make these lows and these lower or higher lows or whatever, so will the candles. So pay attention to that when you're looking at candles, and that way you can say, hey, am I in a trend right now? Is it good to continue trading in this direction? The 1 hour time frame is great. I love the 1 hour time frame. Listen, the higher the time frame, the stronger the data. The higher the time frame, the stronger the data. That's why we look to get direction off of the 1 hour in the daily and look for these lower time frames to find the doorway in, because the higher the time frame, the stronger it is. So if you can get a good confirmation on the 1 hour chart, then yeah, that's a great time frame. Great time frame. I don't think we've taken many off the 1 hour here. Yeah, actually not one here in May. Not one trade one trade here taken off the 1 hour chart on May 8th. And it was a loser too. Yeah, that was it. Just that one trade. Everything else has been it's been a lot of 30-minute, as you can see, and a lot of 15-minute. And you can probably see right around the same times every day. right? Between 8:30, around 9:30, 10 a.m. You'll see a common theme here in times that I take my trades and time frames that I take them on. Yeah. Can you take a look at the 1 hour celery at 5 a.m. on gold? Yeah, let's take a look. 5 a.m. That was right here. 1 hour. Oh, it was a 1 hour celery. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see that. I was actually looking more towards like this 15 celery, but that happened after. I just think you were stuck in this range, right? This is a tough range to break out of right now. It's also a previous, look at all the wicks in this area, right? A lot of wicks. So I think price just was struggling to get up through here. That's it. For some reason, we're really struggling here. So this didn't work out, and you really only had, you know, like 15 pips, right, to that resistance. And 5 a.m. is not a high volume time either, so that's probably why it didn't work out the best. Yeah. Yeah, remember, you want to consider, sometimes you guys will see me like lay off trades that look decent, but they're not in a high volume time. That's why sometimes I'll do that, right? And if it drives, whatever, but I want to be taking my trades during high times of volume. You don't use the 4 hour? I do. Yep. Would you open a position on the 1 hour? Yeah, of course. Yep, I've done that many times. Can't believe I'm not taking trades that don't fall to my plan. My biggest W so far. Let's go, Engineer 24. Let's get it. Let's get it. Now you're on to something here, man. Now you are on to something. Oh, yeah. That's the first sign of a successful trader. Now you'll probably hit a BE stage for a little bit. Don't fight it. Don't be sad about it. Be happy, because BE is the light at the end of the tunnel, and it's just a matter of time, man. Just a matter of time. What up, TK? Good morning, brother. Good morning. Yo, what's up, Traders X in the building? Let's go. It's good. Right, Traders X? Let them know, man. Isn't it such a great feeling to follow a plan day in and day out, to have something concrete to show up to every day, knowing, hey, I'm not looking for any move. I'm just looking for my move. That's it. That's it. Just looking for my move. All right. So 30-minute candle is closed. Weak bullish candle below this 15-minute resistance here. So it's not. Yeah, it's not too bad, but I'm not going to play around here before volume. So yeah, weak closure here. It would be nice if we, it would be nice if we could actually close above here. Hey there, TK. How you doing, sir? Why is volume so low at this time? Because volume already came in a lot during London session. So you see, like, you see these big moves right here. Pre-London, massive move down. London open, massive move up. And now price is ranging, right? So what is it ranging? What is it waiting for? It's waiting for the next session, right? The next time of high volume, which is coming in 28 minutes and 49 seconds. Yo, it's freezing in this house. I think I need to lower the AC. Looking for my move to show up. Yes, sir. Let's go with Traders X. Please reply on Discord. If your name is the same name in the YouTube, check Discord. I already replied to you. Yeah, I sent you a message. Sent. Yo, yo, what up, Ali Reza? What up, Rajdeep? 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 How do you say that? Gold is selling or buying according to me? Nothing yet. Nothing. Absolutely nothing yet. We are rejecting this level here at 24.21.927, right? As you can see, there's lots of rejections in this area. One just happened very recently. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Lots of rejection in this area. So we got to wait if we're going to take buys. There's also a 15-minute resistance here, right? So that's our current problem that we're up against. So that's the issue when it comes to buys here. Now the issue when it comes to sells is we're very bullish on the 4-hour, right? So it's tough to take a sell right here without any major confirmation. So if we're going to get some confirmation, we're going to need probably this 1-hour candle to close below 24.16 here. Right below that, you've got a nice clean range. It's about a 55 pip range coming down. That's what I'm going to be looking to trade in. You know, you got these wicks coming down into this range. It's a nice clean range, right? So you got clean ranges above. You got clean ranges below. This here is just going to be a no trade range pretty much. Yeah, you got nice, really, really nice trades up here. And really nice clean ranges coming down here. So I am bullish above 24.21. I am bearish below 24.16. I am nothing in between. Yeah, nothing in between. What up, Ali Reza? What's good? What's good? I have not replied. Check again. King Bros, right? I'm looking at it right now. I'd bring it in the screen, but your information's here. Come on, brother. Check again. Should I do you want me to bring it into the screen right now? I'll show you, but then I don't know how many people are here, but they'll all see it. BTC pumping. I know. I was really hoping to get some more bags in on BTC, but any plans of starting your own hedge fund? I have massive plans, bro. Massive plans. These are just the beginning. Like, this is just a like itty bitty foundation of the next decade with time to eat trading and everything that we have in store for this community and traders, and you know, it's going to be fun. There's a lot to look forward to. Buy gold, full margin. Hey, yo. Risk to reward 1 million. 1M on it. Vicky, how you doing? What's up, Vicky? How you doing? How you doing? I find marking trend lines, not a trade confirmation indication. Nice. Yeah, trend lines are good. If you need them, use them. Eater boy. Time to eat. Later they'd be like, time to eat. What's up, Daniel? How you doing? All right, so 1 hour did make a low, did make a bottom wick here now, like after all that. So we'll see what happens. You know, we're facing these issues here at 24.21, really 24.22. So we really want to see how we react to this this price level again, and then, you know, see if we can close above on the 15-minute time frame, and then we've got beautiful clean candles to move up about 88 pip range up here. So that's the vibe here for me. And we'll just see what we got to do, man. We got to see if we can close above. You have to wait for the candle to close. I have a question, Nick. Well, I have an answer. You got a question? I got an answer, brother. Had a week off to reflect, and if they're passing challenges, back to it now. Let's go, Louis. W. Congratulations. Pay the fee. Yo, pay the fee. Don't worry about it, man. Just pay the fee. Thank you so much. Yeah, you see, King Bro? You think I would lie to you? I told you, just check Discord, brother. Congratulations, by the way, by winning the account. W. Hoping you do some damage here on this account. You think I would lie to you, man? Raja. Hey, I watched enough of Raja over the years now to probably, yeah. I could probably do the whole stream in his accent. Show us how you mark up your charts. So if I were you, I'd go back to the beginning of the stream and go back to the beginning of every stream. Every single stream, we do a complete top-down analysis, like in-depth, detailed, very easy, very clear to understand top-down analysis. Just go back to all of these right here and watch like the first 10 minutes. 10 minutes, every single stream. All these streams, they all show you in 10 minutes how I mark up my charts, where I get my ranges from, what I look for, what I'm thinking, how I tell the story, how I look from time frame to time frame to get a read on where price wants to go, how I look at the higher time frames to determine what I want to do on the lower time frames. It's all here. It's all here. It's time to gem hunt, man. Everyone's going to do the work and show up to the stream and hang out, but who's going to do the extra work? Who's going to go dive deep for their dreams and goals? Because that's really what it's about. Trading is just a vehicle to get you there. It's, you know, that's all it is. Raja. I'm back. Do you remember me? I remember everyone. Everyone. There's not one I don't remember. Thank you so much, bro. You're welcome. You're welcome, brother. Best of luck to you. Best of luck. We got some more giveaways for this week as well. We're gonna probably do giveaways in the Discord on this week. So if you guys aren't a part of our Discord, you could join the Discord. It's a completely free Discord here, so you guys can join it and come hang out. And yeah, this is where we're gonna do the giveaway. !! Discord in the chat. Thank you, Silver Fox. And even when I'm not in there, you guys can still get the gist of what I'm looking at, what I'm doing. Appreciate you putting that in the Discord, my man. Just pay the fee. Discord, just pay the fee. Do you remember Gray? Yes. Of course. This weekend's gonna be great. Yes. Best week of our life, probably. Do you remember me? No coffee option? Yeah. Hey, Adrian Freedom in the house. Yeah. Let's give my man. Just pay the fee. Yeah, we took the donation. We'll put the donation stuff back up shortly. Yeah, we're gonna a lot of you guys have been requesting us to make these like cool badges, so we've been looking into them, and we're gonna have them available pretty soon too. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Right, TK? A lot of people requesting badge. Get the badges. Shout out to Green though. Green's been on me to make these badges for probably like 7 months now, and I just don't do it. But we're gonna do it. We got it. Just pay the fee. All right, moving back up here. 1 hour is looking good. 16 minutes left on the 1 hour candle here. Again, you know, right now the 15-minute resistance is our problem. So if we can get above there, I think it's going to be a good, nice push. That's why he's the MG. Word. What up, Chala? It's good, Mark. Good morning. Remember me? We went to high school together. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I probably do have a lot of low-key friends that I went to high school with that just watch this and never, like, comment or say anything. They're just like, this guy, Nick. What the heck? What in the world? $30-minute celery. I don't really like it. I don't like it. Celeries for me are best when they look like something like this. Like, I like the shorter wicks like that, and then the break of the high. This one's a little too steep. But a closure above would be awesome, for sure. Pay the fee. Yo, I gotta get that on the soundboard. Yo, what up, Swifty? What's up, Ryan the Third? What's good? All right, so we did not close, so I'm chilling here till NY Open now. How you doing, Swifty? Close my cell. Ah, man, you got to follow your plan on that. You got to follow your plan. I received my salary today. W, Bobo. What up, Sammy Pips? How you doing? What high school? Yeah, that's the question. Oh, yeah? You're my friend from high school? What high school did we go to? Pay the fee. What high school did we go to together? Hey, chat. Y'all know I got kicked out of high school. I got kicked out of high school, chat. Did you guys know that? I don't think I ever told you guys that. You guys really think I'm some squeaky clean, religious man? Not a speck on me. Pay the fee in high school. Yo, what does Drewski play? Pay the fee. Yeah, nothing here for me yet. I'm waiting on the NY Open here. What's the story behind it? Well, you guys know I told you guys I used to basically be one of the biggest cannabis dealers in the neighborhood, right? Told you guys that. And yeah, man, they raided my locker. They found a bunch of weed. They found a couple $1,000s cash in my North Face jacket, and got kicked out of high school for that. Yeah, I was never like a bad, like angry fighting type of guy, like, but I always had that hustle, you know what I mean? So like they caught on, man. We had a snitch in the game. Yeah. Remember I gave you $1,000 in high school? Oh, whoa. Me no speak English. Yeah, y'all seen the picture. I showed you guys the picture. I just showed you one picture of the re-up, man. I'm telling you. Your life could change in a big way. Stitches get stitched. Yo, Green. Don't tell him what high school we went to, man. Don't tell him. Yo, Green, remember my cousin Frankie? This dude got a car. My man never showed back up to school again. Once he got a car, dude never came back to school. Man, imagine showing back up to school like you haven't been there in like 3 weeks. You just come one day. Like, I never understood that. Green, don't ignore me. Don't be ignoring me, bro. What's up, Louis A? What's good? What's good? All right, let's see what we can do here. 10 minutes left. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ here too. Wow. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look at NAS, do a quick breakdown. So you are bullish. You ended up breaking highs here, all-time highs on the NASDAQ, and you know, whatever, coming up. And now we're pretty bullish here on this daily candle here. So you got what is starting to look like a potential 4-hour fake out here, right? So if you can close above or even break those highs there, you may have a 4-hour fake out coming in. Let's go see what that looks like on the 1 hour. So 1 hour is just really chopping around. Right, choppy here on the 1 hour. You got supports, resistances, and that's pretty much your range currently. Let's take a look at the 30 minute as well. So yeah, you got this nasty range here that I wouldn't touch anything in, and above there is a nice clean range on the 30-minute time frame moving up, and then below you got this wick to fill here. So that's kind of the ideas here on the NASDAQ. Yeah, you could probably look to target up here. 930 it should break out and give you know, we're fueling up right now is what we're doing. So you could expect a pretty big breakout. Goldie flirting with 24.22 again here. Starting to break above that resistance. 9 minutes left. Not gonna close. Let's ride a WP the G. Let's run it. Let it rip. He admitted it to you, huh? He said, "Hey man, remember back in high school 5 years ago? Yeah, I was the one that told the teacher on you." What up, Jessica Lake? Good morning. Cut class and grill at the park. How do you know when a candle needs a steeper or shallow wick at the pullback? You don't. You know, you really don't. You just kind of want to look left sometimes, or like, let's say price, you know, kind of breaks out of this range here, right? Does something like this. I mean, I would expect the bottom wick to probably just tap that support, that previous zone there, and then move up. So on this candle, I wouldn't be expecting a steeper bottom wick. I would just be expecting like high volume to come in and price to begin to rip up from there. So I think experience goes into that a little bit as well, just chart time and, you know, seeing common things happen over and over again. So yeah, I think it's just a experience thing that you're able to read, because there's really no set answer for that question. You know, how steep should it be? How shallow should it be? How many pips should it be? Like, there's really no like legit answer I can give you and be like, oh, it's got to be 10 pips or got to be 5 pips or 8 pips. You know, it's a lot of time it has to do with the chart on that given day, and, you know, where previous wicks kind of wicked into. News at 5:30. News at 8:30. Yeah, we got CAD news coming in at 8:32, but I'm not gonna like avoid positions or anything like that. Longs are beginning to look really good. Yep. So we're about to re-break this 4-hour high here, which is good. That's good. John's in the house. Yo.
Yo. Good morning, my brother.
What's good, Brusky?
Poppin'.
How you doing?
How you doing, man?
How you doing?
How you doing?
What's the good
What's up, man?
word?
How you doing?
I'm great, man. How you doing?
Great, bro.
You ever get in those conversations like, yeah, how you been, man? Good. You, how you doing? Yeah, you doing good? Yeah. Well, how else you been, bro? You doing good? Yeah, everyone doing good. Yeah. Well, what you been up to? How you been? But man, I just told
Bro,
you how I've
plenty
been.
of times. Plenty of times, bro. All for part of human contact.
So what's good? How you doing?
Bro, the good word is that we're on the way to the top, bro, and nothing's stopping us but us. So should be a smooth way there. So I'm grateful.
And I ain't stopping me, man. I ain't doing it.
I ain't either, brothers. My why is too big, too important.
Yeah.
Driving me there.
Ditto. All right, this is looking pretty good. We should close above here. We got 4 minutes left on this candle, and you do have clean range coming up towards the top side. You are beginning to move back up here after possibly doing a pack runner here on the daily, and then 4 hours beginning to move up, break the highs again. So we just need a closure here.
Just don't juice without us.
Don't juice without us.
Perfect timing though for NY Open.
Yes, sir.
Morning, chat. What's going on? Hope you guys are feeling incredible. Grateful for another day. What's up, TK? What's up, Sandman? What's up, Scott? What's up, Z Gamer? What's good, Green? What's up, Purpose? Yanosh? What's good? Yeah, y'all, just another day. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the word. Just another day, another opportunity to strengthen this muscle, right? This discipline muscle. Let's focus on being disciplined and patient and following our plan, right? If we continue to stack these wins, the compound effect will work and yield us a positive return. So let's keep running it up. Let's keep doing our job. Morning, BuzzBlab. What's up, KV? Dropout Trader, what up? Morning, Miko. Morning, OBI. Yep, so patiently waiting for this closure. It's a waiting game, y'all. A waiting game.
Patiently waiting for a trade to explode on. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's go back.
Doing amazing bait. How you doing, bro?
Bait.
2 minutes here.
2 minutes.
Dos.
What's up, AB Mike? How was
Hey,
your
AB
morning
Mike.
today, John?
Bro, my morning was incredible, dude. Got to work on myself, you know, stack my little wins, and that's really it. How was your morning?
Great. Really good.
Yeah, man. Pulled up to the desk and I was like, hey, we got price action. Let's go.
Yeah, we got some really clean price today. What's up, Sam, man? Well, that's goody. Hey, we golfing again this weekend. Getting out there. Stacking,
Yeah, the rep.
yeah, stacking reps. Pretty pleased, Goldie Gold. Yeah, see, we need to pull back a little bit, so we got a wick here, right? If we can get that wick, then it should be good. Are you in a trade? Not yet. Waiting 28 seconds here. Yeah, it's a new 1 hour candle here too. New 1 hour candle. All right, so let's see if we can get a bottom wick, and then I'm gonna have some buy stops. Yeah, so I want to see a bottom wick come down here. Yep, that's perfect. So yeah, gonna have a buy stop here, chat. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my stops back in the range. So basically gonna use current candle lows back in the range here, expecting price, if we break the high, to fill that range and possibly even this wick here. Yeah, we got NY open, we got volume.
Good.
4 hour candle looks like it wants to pump. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
Yep.
Good morning, Energy. What's good?
Morning, energy. And remember, y'all, the short-term result of our trades is completely random, right? It's in the long term where our edge will really show itself. So this trade is going to have a completely random outcome. But if we keep executing on this trade for 20, 50 trades in a row, the edge is going to show. So that's all that matters.
Yeah, I might fix my stops a little bit. Hold on one sec here. Fix this. Probably gonna bring them down just a little bit further.
I got mine sitting below the previous 30.
Yeah, that ain't bad. Yeah, probably gonna have it somewhere down here. Doom, doom. Yeah, because we're gonna use this current candle here, or I'm gonna use the current candle here. Buy stop. Oh,
4 hours clean.
I forgot to hit stop there. Buy stop. All right. Maybe I got a sniper entry. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot to hit buy stop here.
Yeah, it's so annoying. I wish it was on stop.
Yeah. Thought I did it. All right, cool. So we'll see if we can, or I'm in. So see if you could break the high, and if you can, then we should get a move on it here. We have NY open. We have volume coming in, so we'll see.
Yeah, no green. It's always on limit.
Always on limit.
Messed up a couple times too.
Hate when that happens. Where caught Ethereum yesterday. Oh, did Ethereum pump yesterday? Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, that's probably where I'm gonna look to do some sort of management.
Well, like 24, 25 around there.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
20%, damn.
Yeah, I like targeting 24, 30 though around there. That's clean on the 4 hour also.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It's nice. Yeah, we got CAD CPI. Yeah, CAD CPI can throw some volatility into gold for sure. For sure. Will news disrupt the trade? I don't think it will do anything super crazy, but yeah, I mean, we can definitely get some volume for sure.
Still got 25 minutes.
Yeah, still got some time for that though. I'm at loss from yesterday. That's okay. That was yesterday. Today's today. Let's focus on today, and we'll do just fine. Did I enter the market? Yeah, I'm in a buy here. I'm in. Oh, nice. What up, Dean? What's good? What's good?
Good, Dean.
Dean. Let's get this cheddar. When's break even? Right here. This right here says break even, risk free. So once we tap into that level, which is this area over here, that's where I want to go risk free on the trade. I'm targeting 2440. Oh yeah, nice up here. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Astro. What's up,
Get it,
PM
Goldie.
Magnifico? How you doing, man?
What's up, Magnifico?
PM Magnifico. How was that hike the other day? Did you have a good hike? Yeah, another trade. Another trade on the board.
Yep, that's it.
We'll see what happens.
Just execute on our edge. It's our job.
Yeah. Yeah, we are pretty bullish though on the 4 hour now. So we can see this 4 hour come up towards 28 here for sure. For sure. We
Another
just need
thing I
volume.
like too. Another thing I like too is the previous candle. The previous candle closed very weak, and then the next one closed very strong, bullish, staying above that range. So with that and the 4 hour, I really like this.
Ditto. Yeah, my stops are more towards like, yeah, they're probably like right around here. Nice. It was a good hike. Good, good. Good, good, good. What up, Angelo? Got your toe stuck in the fridge of my neighbors? I know. That's the worst, right, G Sammy? They tell you, don't get your toe stuck in my fridge anymore. Where's Joey Stu? Is he in this?
Joey Stu check, I believe so.
Let's go. W. Joey Stu.
Joey
Let's
Stu
get it.
check, where you at?
How you doing, Joey Stu?
Joey Stu. What up, Joe?
There he is. There he is. He's
Get a
in there.
juicer, Joe.
Can we get a Joe's box? Let's see if we can get a juicer.
Comics may push us up, all the way up.
Yeah. Oh, my entry's down here. I forgot. Yeah, word. Nice. Yeah, I'm going to
Yeah,
go
nice
break
your
even
entry.
here.
I'm right at entry right now. I can't go B.
I'm going B right here. We shouldn't come down and flip. So yeah, this is risk-free for me, man. No money on the line. What does Wick say? We're playing with the house money now. So if we could run, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. I'm sitting about 11, 12 pips in profit here. We should not flip bearish on this candle again. Yeah. We're in the money. So can we get it to drive? That's the question. Joey Stu. Heavy rain and thunder all day here. Ooh. It's raining. Let's go 15 minute. We need a juice box out of you. We need a juice box out of you. Comics open too coming up here in the next 15.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on.
Did I add another buy? Nah, I'm just sitting in this one right here. Yeah.
Get the juicer, chat. Bring the energy.
Energy, bring the energy. Got 18 pips. Nice stand lead. Nice, nice. The only reason I'm BE is because I had that early entry. If I was up here, I don't think I'd be BE yet. Yeah, now my entry is below the flip, so if this thing flips bearish, I really don't want to be in it. So that's why I'm break even.
Yeah, I like when I'm able to hear the sound.
What, the order filled one?
Nah, the stream sound.
Oh yeah, the music, right? So much better.
Yep.
Zoom guys, I'm sorry, man. All these months, almost a year of no music, just listening to me yap. Damn.
Yeah, man, we get quiet.
It's a nice tone to it, right? Oh, you're out, Energy? All right, have a great day. See you later, Gator.
Peace, Energy.
Have fun today. Why early entry, Nick? I did it by mistake. Yeah, I forgot to hit the stop, so I hit it. It was set on limit, so it was a mistake.
Hey, what's good, Andrew? Good morning, brother. Hope you're doing great.
Andrew. CPI in 15, yeah. CPI on the CAD here in 15 minutes.
It's 15 needs sleeves to top it.
Yeah. Yeah. If the 15 closes with no top wick, I'm just gonna probably close and wait for a new entry. What happened if you never took the entry, or if took the entry by accident and it never broke the top wick? Would you manage? Yeah, I would be a little upset, but it would be okay. It would be okay. So the 15-minute candle looks like it's going to close with no top wick here, and I am going to close my full position right there. So yeah, close full right there at 19 pips. 19 pips. So yeah, W. We'll now sit tight and wait on the next one. This one could still juice up here. We got 820 coming up here as well. Yeah, nice easy push. So yeah, close full right there. Closed full, and then we'll keep an eye on this. We'll keep an eye. If you guys want to hold, you guys can hold. I had a little bit of a better entry probably than most. So yeah, so that's why I'm closing up here with. Actually, the 15 kind of did leave a decent wick.
Yeah, I stayed in.
Yeah, we left something there. Nice, nice. Yeah, I closed. Yep. how much money did I make? I think it was 380, 350, something like that. Yeah, I'm going to be bringing this account up to like 100K.
Right. Well, can we get a Joe, sir?
Can we get a juice box for the boys and girls that are still in? Let's go.
Oh, I think I'm gonna get B.
Yeah, as long as you're break even, John, it's fine. Risk free, chilling. Yeah, 360, so 3.6% there on that trade. We'll take it. We'll take it. So let's mark that one up here. That was 8 a.m. 8 a.m.
Bit of shot, nice.
B, are you in?
Yes, sir.
W.
Yeah,
W,
we
good,
react.
good call on break even too there.
I was looking at that level.
I'm just gonna put flip. It was like a pip or two under the flip on this one. Oh, speaking of 1 hour trades, there we go. It was a 1 hour trade. Yeah, we were just talking about 1 hour positions. All right, nice. Nice, nice. Break even hit. Nice. It's a personal account. Yeah, it's a $10,000 account. It's like 14,000 right now, ish. So once the month finishes up, we'll run through it and check it out, see where we're at. What am I doing here? Yo, chat. Oh yeah, there it goes. Yeah, the 1 hour is still heavy on the bull side. And here comes comics open here, 820. So you should see a big push. Chat, the fact that we're 56 and 18, it did not look like that in the beginning of the year. Right? It did not look good in the beginning of the year. So shout out to all you guys that just kept composure through all that. That rocky start to the year. And I think I said this, and I said, let's not let 1 month, mess up the next, 11, or 2 months mess up the next 10, right? Just stay composed, keep running the playbook, and we really turned it around there. Really turned it around. Like, we're 56 and 18. We were like 15 and like 7 at one point. Sheesh. Pay the fee.
Good stuff.
Yeah, we really turned that around, man. That losing streak was one of the best things that happened to me recently. It really was. I'm not the same trader I was before. Like, the trader I was in January is not the trader I am today. Crazy. Yeah, I remember, man. The record was not looking pretty at all. People were coming to
February.
Yo, that was difficult, man, to sit through that, keep the public record up there. Oh man, holy, man, the record was like 17 and two wins and like 15 losses. Yo, wow, yeah, here comes the juice box. So you're coming up into these ranges here now. Only one that yeah, everyone else left, and all the new people during that time, they were like, hell nah. 3 wins, 10 losses, I'm out of here. Yeah, they just had to give us time, man. They just had to give us some time. Time is our edge.
Our edge, bro. Yes, sir.
It got off to a rocky start, but that's okay. It's not how you start, remember? We talked about that during that time. It's how you finish. What up, Rich and Royal? Yes, sir, brother. Got stopped at a break even? No worries, man. No worries. There'll be more trades like this. There'll be plenty of more trades like this.
It's all good, bro. I got stopped at B, you know. I got stopped at, and now I'm watching price juice back up.
John got stopped at B. You got any advice for him, John?
Nah, bro. You set out a plan beforehand. So the shoulda, woulda, coulda should be avoided now, and then you should eliminate all emotions. After the fact, your plan happened because you set out a plan beforehand, and logic always defeats emotion. So if you followed your plan and stuck with it, that's all that matters, dude. Anything else could happen, and shoulda, woulda, coulda should be avoided now to say because you set out a plan and followed it. And like Nick said, there's going to be another trade, you know, so there's another opportunity. At least you didn't take a fat L, you know, you got to be, so that's good. Because as easily as this is driving up right now too, like we went BE for a reason too, you know, keep that in mind. Like you didn't go to BE for no reason, you went for a reason, and that reason was because, you know, that area you could maybe see a rejection to then hit your stops, right? So you did it for a good reason.
Yeah, this area right here. But moving on up. See, notice how we struggled there, but we're still continuing up now. The only thing you could have done maybe better was waited for this candle to make a low and then take your stop and move it directly below the candle here. So that way you're in profit. That's pretty much it.
X, like trail your stops.
Yeah. Daily flipping bullish now.
Yeah, that's gonna go straight to target, man.
Yep. High volume too. I've joined TT during the losing period. Hey, W. Hey, if you joined during that time, holy. Shout out to you guys. Should we close before news? As you're beginning to come up towards this target, I would probably say yeah. Close partials, go break even, do something, you know. Take some money for yourself. Yeah, nice move. Nice move.
Now gold's gonna make me watch a juice in front of me.
She's a goner. Juice box. Nah, I'm out, Louis G. I'm out. Raja always close partials. Yeah, Raja doesn't like to go BE without closing partials, but you know, there's no right or wrong in the game. One-year anniversary, Dominic. Let's go. W.
Hey.
Sheesh. 5/21 of 2023. Wow. What were we doing that day? 5/21/23. Let's see. Oh. Nice. So yeah, so that's a nice move up. That's what you could expect typically during NY Open. The goal with the 10K account I'm trading is to professionally build it up to about $100,000. Just slowly, steadily trade the playbook day in and day out to share with people how the playbook works. You know, we did that last year. We're going to do it again this year. We're going to do it a little bit different style, though, on the personal account. And yeah, just try and, you know, work towards, I mean, the goal is 100K. It's not like I'm like, I have to get to 100K no matter what. But that's like the, you know, the theme behind it is really just professionally trading this account day in and day out with good, solid playbook positions and put numbers on the board and bring it towards like 100K. Say my name. How you doing? W, man. That trade paid the bills. Nice. Yeah, that trade pay a bill or two. Pay a bill for me too. Yeah, we getting the bills paid out here.
Probably working on holding trades longer. If I go and BE, then take apart. Yeah, so I'm just working on, you know, finding a good trade with a good like 1R or at least close to 1R and taking that and holding for that. So every trade's unique. Every trade's different its own way. So sometimes I'm gonna go BE, and if I go BE, I'm gonna hold for that target, that 1R close to 1R, or I'm just there's gonna be trades where I either go BE and hold, or there's gonna be trades where I'm literally just holding. So that's all gonna depend on like what the market looks like and the conditions. Like here we had an advantage point, so I went BE. But maybe if we didn't have that advantage point and we just had clean candles, I would be holding till target.
Yeah.
And I would just manage off the closures. Let me know if that makes sense. So yeah, just like depending on the trade and what it looks like, determines how I'm gonna manage it.
Yeah, now you're gonna get news from the CAD here, so let's see what happens with this. Will that push us up or down? CPI came in pretty much as expected here. The rest of it's not out yet. Red numbers for the CAD, a little bit less. So not a crazy change here. But yeah, nice clean move up in this range. As we discussed earlier, this was the range you want to be a part of, whether it be for 10 pips, 20 pips, 40 pips, 80 pips. This is where you wanted to get some chicken, get some bread in this range, and whatever you got, you got. You know what I mean? Now we got to wait on price action. You don't want to buy up here. You don't want to sell. There's no confirmation to go down. There's more so confirmation to keep moving up, or we're a bit high up at this point for a new entry. So yeah, now we just want to wait. Very curious to see how our 4-hour candle is going to close. Gold.
Makes sense. All right, cool. That's good. Yeah, like if we didn't have that advantage point, Scott, I'm still holding my trade for that target. Definitely.
Thanks, Nick. Always like your trades. Hey, you're welcome, man. Same trade every time, pretty much, right? It's pretty much the same trade. What's up, Pablo?
What's up, Pablo? Carlo, I got out of BE before the dump up, so break even trade for me.
Juicing. Yeah, here comes the daily continuing up.
I would probably close my position right
here. Yeah, if I didn't close there, that would be it. We got someone. Someone's targeting 24.40, I believe, too. So that's a nice run up there. 24.40 is like another 100 pips here. Sheesh.
Louis G, you're funny, dude. Nah, bro, I'm staying at the desk, bro. I'm getting another trade today.
I don't care what I gotta do. Time to bring out the 1 minute time frame.
Only if my setup shows up, though. That's it.
On the 1 minute.
Nah, hell no. 15:30. Keep it simple.
All right.
Thanks, engineer. Appreciate that.
Joey Stu, how you doing? Joey caught a juicy?
I think Joe got out on that 15
Okay, cool.
topic.
Nice. One minute, owe me some bread. 5 minute, owe me some bread, Sam, man. We gotta go down there and run some pockets. My tattoo is almost done here. Yeah, great move up. So that basically cleaned the range there. So we'll see what happens now. You got a 4-hour closure coming up in like 25 minutes. We kind of tap target there on the 4-hour. So we'll see. We'll see how this. If the 15 closes bear, then you know, there may be another opportunity for us to capitalize on this 4-hour candle pulling back on the last 15 of the 4 hours. So we'll see.
15 or 30. Oh yeah.
Well, if we wait for the 30, then that's the 4-hour close. So we gotta. It would either be the 15 or nothing. Because 30 closed the 4-hour. Do I think sports betting is better than trading? No. Which brand of blue light glasses do you have? This one is Gunner. I also have whatever these are. Yeah, Gunner is probably the best one. Sports betting is too, I mean, I guess you can create an edge, right? I guess you can create an edge based off of certain things. So, yeah, I mean, if you can create an edge, which I believe some people do, you got to know the players, you got to know the vibes, you got to know who's home, who's away, right? Who's hurt, who's not hurt. So I guess you can develop an edge, but I've never done, I don't bet on sports. Base. Oh, horse betting. I haven't done that. Oh, Norbin, thanks, man. The pips on gold. Yeah, so the pips on gold. If you grab this measuring tool right here, we'll measure this candle. Why don't we measure it together, chat? Grab your measuring tools, everyone, and go ahead and start on the flip of this candle here, the most recent 30. And let's go to that resistance. So that right there, it says 339.1. You see that? Hold on. 339.1, right? Right here. So basically this right here means 33 pips. So it's not 339, it's 33 pips. So it's a little weird, it's a little bit different than most pairs, but that's how you count it. right? If this was let's say we only measured it towards, say we measure it towards this wick here, that's going to be what? Not 571. What is it? 57, right? So that's 57 pips. So that's how you do it. Thanks for the trade. Hey, don't thank me. Thank the market. The market gave it to us. We just hung out and waited for the right opportunity.
Yo, whoever held for that full position, congrats. Good stuff.
W. Oh, wow. If you click left on the mouse, it pulls it up too. Wait, what? Hold on, what? I think if you click shift and, oh, click shift. Oh, wow, yeah, you're right. Never realized that. Dope. Yeah, so apparently if you click shift and then just left click the mouse, it'll do it for you as well. Wow, learn something new every day. Yeah, W move up.
Yeah.
Daily back to
No
bullish.
FOMO, Scott. Yes, sir, Scott. That's what's gonna separate the pros and the amateurs, right? You know, there was a time when I was a beginner where if I got stopped at BE here and price continued driving up, I would be like eager, fiending to get back in, you know. And that's when I was an amateur, but now I consider myself a pro. And what do I do now? I just accept whatever happened. I'm on to the next trade, and I'm now looking for my next best setup. That's really it, you know. So that's what's gonna separate the pros and the amateurs, is they actually follow their plan. You know, they follow their, and the amateurs just follow their emotions. So make sure you got the habits of a pro today, so you can build that muscle, develop that skill, and let's run it.
Right, and that doesn't mean that you don't get a little salty, right? That you whatever, man, I could have, you know, but you just move on from it, right? You don't dwell your whole session on it now. It's like, it's whatever, you know, like crap, you know, it hit my B and went up. Okay, awesome. All right, on to the next. Of course it sucks, but it's just on to the next trade.
Yep.
Awesome. Technically we divided it by 10. Yeah, sure.
You find, and you'll literally, once you start to do it, like you'll start to know why you should do it, right? Like the slow and steady path is the quicker way to profits, and a lot of people won't even think that, right? They need to get it fast, to get it quicker. But if you just do it right, like you're gonna see if you sow correctly, you're gonna reap those rewards, you know. So you just focus on the process of trading and trading the edge, like the outcome will just naturally come. Like the outcome you want will naturally just happen.
Yep. Over time. Time's your edge. How do you deal with a partner who don't foe most of the work? I'm not sure what that means. What lot size do you use? I don't use a lot size. I use a risk. So I determine what lots I'm going to use or what size I'm going to use based off of how much I want to risk per trade.
Yeah, I don't understand that question with the partner. Yeah, Marcus, you know, Mike Vella, he says something that's always going to stick with me. He said just focus on one good trade, then one good trade, and then one good trade, right? No bad trades, one good trade. So that's what I'm focused on now. Whatever, like BE, cool, whatever. I'm on the next best trade now.
Yep. Should I buy now, dude? No, dude. No way, dude. Where's my car, dude? Dude. Sweet. Dude. Sweet. Do, not foe? Oh, what was the question again? Hold on. How to deal with a partner who don't do most of the work. How to do? Okay, thank you. How to deal with a partner who
making
don't
too much
do
excuses.
most of the work. I have a partner making too much excuses. Are you married?
It'd be 100.
If you're not married yet, I would say, hey, if we're gonna get married,
rocks.
you gotta ditch those excuses. Tarzan. Tell him we don't do excuses in this family. That trade just helped me pass my first ever FTMO account.
Oh, okay.
W. Beautiful. Next best
friend.
steps are continue to do what you have been doing. Don't change a thing. Don't change a thing. Right, John?
If it's your friend, bro, don't worry. Yeah, bro.
Oh, your friend? If it's your
Oh,
friend,
yeah, bro, keep doing the things, you know.
yeah, if it's your friend, then I mean, I wouldn't care what they thought. I wouldn't
Don't
worry
worry
about
about it,
them
bro.
making excuses. They can worry enough about them making excuses. You just gotta do your thing.
Not everyone could go to the top, dude.
Yeah, not everyone wants to go to the top either.
So you just gotta let them rock and just talk to them outside of whatever it is they're making excuses of. That's really it.
Lost a few brains. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So y'all, if you're getting the results that you want in life, that means keep doing the work that you're doing, right? Because success and money is a lagging indicator. So if you are doing the work and you get a result, and then now you stop getting those results that you wanted, you obviously switched up whatever you're doing, right? So if you're getting good results, keep doing what's getting you those results. You know, it's like the same thing. People are getting bad results, but they don't know why they're getting bad results, but they just keep doing the things that are getting them bad results. So your results are gonna speak. Your results are the, what's the word I'm looking for? There's like the outcome of your habits and your actions. So
Yeah.
if you don't like the situation you're in, that means you have to change. You know, and that's the thing. People want change to happen to them, but they don't want to. We gotta be willing to be accountable for ourselves, you know, and be willing to change if we don't like the situation we're in.
Yep. Yeah. Nothing changes. Nothing changes. That's why we talk about the why. That's why we talk about the dream so much. Some of you guys like, these guys are talking about a dream. What a kid thing to do, man. You gotta be a kid. You can't grow up, man. You gotta accept the responsibilities of a grown adult, but you do not want to grow up. Right? The system is designed for you to grow up, and what that means is it just means to be a robot for the system. Right? Growing up, that's all that means. That's what they've labeled it as. We want you to grow up. But it just sounds a lot better when they say, you know, it would be nice if you just grow up versus, you know, it would be nice if you were just a programmed robot to our matrix system here so you can help us get to where we want to be, right? It sounds a little bit better when it's just like, come on, be mature and grow up, doesn't it? So like very like what's the term? I don't know. But yeah, so keep dreaming, man. Most of you guys have lost the dream. You know, that's why you guys are not really satisfied with what you're doing. But once you regain that dream, you regain that fire, you have something to wake up to every single day, like purpose. You know what I mean? Like, don't you just want purpose, right? You guys all have a purpose. It's just you've been distracted by the matrix currently to really remember what that purpose is. But when you were a kid, you did some things naturally, right? Maybe you drew or you colored or you did gymnastics. I don't know what it is, but there was something that you just loved to do that reality or life, right, or growing up has muffled your flame, and you got to get it back. You got to get it back.
Facts, bro. A goal gives you something to live for. You know, that's why it's important to have them.
Yeah, because if you don't write your goal, the system's gonna write the goal for you, and trust me, it's not in your benefit.
Yeah, Earl Nightingale said you're only a failure if you don't have a goal that you're working towards. So that's the only way you can be a failure, you know? So always have a goal. It keeps life interesting.
Yep. I lost about 24 funded accounts till now. What's your record? I think mine's about like, it's up there. It's like 18. Yeah, there were days I was just blowing them on the daily. Couple a week, like it was nothing.
Another funded account gone, Nick?
Gone.
Yo, look at that. That tapped target perfectly and rejected.
I know.
That's beautiful right there.
Yeah, it is. Such a pretty thing.
So damn beautiful.
Are you using CTrader or Tradeovate? I'm using Tradeovate. I don't think Tradeovate and CTrader mix, do they? I don't think they do that. But then again, I'm not too sure. But I don't think they mix. I think it's either one or the other, bro. It's either you can still chart up on TradingView, right? Like you guys remember how I used to chart up on TradingView and then just take my executions on MT5. So that's what I was. If I was using CTrader, that's what I would be doing. I would be continuing to mark up my charts here on TradingView and then just execute on CTrader. That's what you see me do anyway, right? Like my CTrader MT5 is just built into TradingView now. So you see me always on this chart, but when I'm taking trades, you'll see me go over to this one. Bought and blown within an hour is my record. Yeah, I'm probably right around there too. 30-minute candle or something. No way this thing could go down. No. Risking like 5%. Max daily drawdown in one trade. Yeah.
This has to go up. Definitely.
Chad, I would risk the max daily drawdown in one trade. Oh man.
What figure can you say would help you be confident to trade as your primary income source? Yeah, Nick, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like there's no right or wrong answer to that, right? Like I feel like that all depends on the person, where they're at in life, what their situation is, what their confidence is, how they're trading, what their actions is. I think, that's all up to you. What's gonna work best for you?
Yeah, because my bills may be $5,000 a month. So I could say, oh, well, if you make $6,000 a month, you should be good. But your bills may be $10,000 a month. So it's all different. You know what I mean? Everything's different. It's all catered to your life.
Yeah, some people may want 5 figures. Some people want 6 or 7, so it's up to you.
Yeah.
But most importantly, the skill set. You got to lock the skill set in first. You got to prove to yourself that you are a beast, at the skill. So
yep. I directly execute on TradingView. Yes. Yep. Just like were you guys? Yeah, you guys see me take the trade just a little while ago. So that's how I execute. It's on TradingView, which I love. Honestly, I've been really enjoying that. TK, what in the world's going on in Zoom, bro?
Yeah, this 4-hour, I guess, gonna close right at resistance.
Still trading funded accounts? Yeah, I have two. Oh yeah, this is my buddy right here, guys. Say hello. Yeah, I got my trade locker account here as well. So I have 200K with TFT. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna trade that account today though. But yeah, I got everything all set up there.
Wait, who? TFT?
No, top one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's my dude right here. I don't know, my background, it randomly changes like every like couple hours, but this one has literally been on for like days. So this is the homie right here, man. Say hello. This is the time
What
to
is
eat. This is a
Deal? Alright.
nah. This ain't a seal. This is like what is this, chat? This is this the homie, man. Don't worry about what it is. It's the homie.
This is our man, bro. It's our man, Diego.
That's the big dog right there, man. This when the Quakers come in, this guy takes them out. It's the TT mascot. It's like it's probably a seal.
Dude looks mad sad.
Nah, he's happy. He's happy. He just doesn't notify his face. Like some of you guys. You guys
Man,
are
Steiny
happy,
got
but you don't
beat.
notify your face. I'm so happy. No, you're not. Yeah, this guy hit
Tiny
BE.
got beat. That's my face when I get BE in the trade drives. In my
When you
favorite.
see John looking like this dude, Diego, watch out. How you doing? I think it's a manatee, but someone said it's a seal. I think it's like a manatee, but remember that manatee we seen in
It's a
Anna Maria
creature of
Island?
God. Yeah, hell yeah. That was dope.
Hey,
I was like, yo, is that a
I be preaching to the creatures, man. All of them. The birds fly by, say, believe in the Lord Jesus, you'll be saved. Yeah, I told you guys about them birds that came and hung out with me and Alea. It was crazy. Yeah, it's a manatee? All right, yeah, it's a manatee. He ate a lot of crumble. Yeah, hey, this is what you look like when you eat too much crumble. Trust me. It's no joke. No joke.
just full of regret?
It's not a manatee, it's a cheetah. You could be
Yo,
anything you want to be.
Purpose, that's funny, dude. That's funny.
4 pips. Yeah, you see? It's a manatee. I think people oh, it's a seagull, my bad.
Eagle.
The new Quaker picture. Man. All right, 4 minutes for a 4-hour closure here. Closing up shop. It looks like we have tapped into target, so that's good. I would have been open to this sell on the 15, but no bottom wick there.
You wouldn't be open to the 30 distance with the
Potentially.
4-hour?
Potentially,
Sure.
potentially. We're gonna redraw our ranges here in just a moment too. Let me grab. Give me a sec. We're gonna do a fresh top down analysis.
Looks like me on my 9 to 5. Yeah, Edson, that's funny, bro. Facts, man. That thing was definitely sad or something. You get fat in the face after crumble? Yeah, crumble. I don't know what's in those cookies, man. They do not make you feel good though after. Right? Like, correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know who could possibly eat that cookie and feel good after eating it. The seal ate too much cookies. That's funny. I think we need to come up for a sell. You know, maybe our systems are a little bit different because we're right at a 30-minute resistance. We're also right at a 4-hour resistance too.
Yeah, yo, chat. I offered to buy a family size crumble yesterday. If Joe and John would have just came over and we were gonna watch Ready Player One. By the way, if you have not seen Ready Player One, go check it out. That's maybe where the world is heading. I hope not, but yeah, man, they denied me. I say, yo, I'll get the whole family size. We'll get double of each cookie. Joe wanted to watch Game 7, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, come on.
Joe wasn't down. I was down.
Watch Ready Player One. All right, let me get rid of these charts here. We got 2 minutes left. Let's just take a look at the 4-hour here. So the daily candle, right, has not rebroke its own high yet, right? There's still a possibility that that can happen, but we came back up and we made an attempt to do that and did not break the high there. So that high is still intact. 4-hour we can say has potentially hits hit target here, right? Has tapped into target and kind of cleared this whole range. Same thing with the 1 hour. 1 hour has a resistance right here. You tapped into that resistance pretty nicely here. So in order for me to take more buys, I think I need a closure above 24.28 here, which is basically something like this, you know, a little pullback, a closure above, and then I'll look to target these ranges up here. If we don't close above, then we got to find where's our area for sells here. So taking a look at the 30-minute time frame, you do have another support, which is right here. So you're currently within this range now in the 30-minute time frame. If you can close below, right? So if this candle can open up, the next candle, make a low, come down now and make the high, so it looks like the 4 hour is about to do this. Like, let's just duplicate this 4 hour candle. So it comes down and makes this low here, right? And then begins to flip bullish and activate buyers as that low re-breaks. That's our entry right here, right? Because as that low re-breaks, we may say, okay, well, we already tapped target, and now we're going to potentially look to move down here. So that's where we want to take advantage and look to take our sells heading back down. So that's what I'm going to be looking at moving into this new session, the new 4 hour candle. And if not, I'll look to take my buys above 24.30 here.
4 hour candles are big, you know, bigger typically than the 30-minute and 15, right? So we got a 30-minute confirmation of a resistance being formed. You know, the 4 hour could make a steep bottom wick, and that could be our, you know, range to trade.
Yep.
Pretty much.
Yep. And we also have a 15-minute support potentially working for us here. So if this candle closed bullish, then we got a support, and now we know, okay, we're in the range. If it closes bearish below, that may be where we take these sells at 9 a.m. type stuff. So we'll see. We're just gonna wait this next 14 seconds and see how we close here. What will we do? All right. Oh, okay, perfect. Oh, wow. What's this?
Oh, we had a orange folder. Damn.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. So we had some Fed stuff at. Okay. Cool. Yeah, so let's just sit tight here. I wouldn't do anything just yet, but yeah, just gonna relax for a sec. Just gonna relax for a second. What is this? What is this we speak of? Yeah, it looks like we had an orange folder right here at 9 a.m.
Right back.
So yeah. All right, cool.
Majority of the range.
All right, we broke the lows there too. Holy. Oh, are we rooting for Boston now? All right, let's root for Boston for the title. All right, Green, you got us on your side now. I think I'm more into the hockey. I don't like basketball too much. It's too much stop and go. Yo, babe, just wait like the game's over in 2 minutes, man. 2 minutes. Don't worry, I'll be there. Yo, 20 minutes later, there's still like 4 seconds on the clock while they're at the free throw line. I'm like, yeah, sorry. Man. Everything's a foul. What's going on here? Goes in for the layup and foul. Predictable. Yeah, if there's like 2 minutes left in a game, just tell your girl it's going to be like 30 minutes. What's my favorite sport? Golf. Let's go. Nah, my favorite sport to watch has always been hockey. I love watching hockey. Hockey's just ruthless. I like sports. I'm just not too consumed in it. You know, like I love competition. So I love seeing players like put it all on the line. Typically, I'll only watch in the playoffs because that's when the big stuff is on the line. But yeah, I like watching hockey and golf. My mentor used to watch golf. I used to go to his house. He'd be sitting there watching golf. I'm like, how's this guy watching golf? Now? Dude, I love watching golf. Golf is a sport? Yeah. The best sport in the world now. Yeah, golf's pretty good. You don't know until you go. You don't know about golf until you really play with some good people. Not good like performance-wise, but just good people to play golf with. Austin Silver from ASFX got to be one of the best guys you could play golf with. Football is too political for me at this point. The one thing I like about golf is it's all about you. So it doesn't matter what it's a single man sport. All right, we broke the lows there on the 1 hour. So let's see. This could be to grab liquidity here, right? For price to continue moving up. We did close bullish here on the 4 hours. So let's just hang tight for a moment and see how we do on the 15-minute. You watch Formula One? AW. Formula One was in Miami, I think, this year. Wow, there's our range break. Yeah, NAS is crazy, man. So wick was filled. Candle closed below, but no bottom wick on there. Yeah. Any trade set up soon? I think so. I think so. Most of our trades are taking around 9:30, so I would say so. There's probably something heating up. Just gotta wait, you know. Just gotta wait on it. We already took one good trade today. We took the buys on the way up, and now we just gotta wait patiently for our next opportunity. Oh, it's different every 2 weeks. Oh wow. Oh damn, that's a lot of work to put those courses together in those cities. Oh, real football, like soccer? Yeah, my bad. America just does everything different than every other place in the world, I guess. But yeah, I do like soccer better than football. Like, you know, American football. I don't really like American football too much. I used to when I was younger, but I like soccer better now. Soccer is not football. Yeah, my it's football. All right. It's football. Sorry. I know. I know you guys are joking. Trust me, guys. I deal with Quakers. I don't take things very serious. Update. many of you guys play rugby? Y'all play rugby? Messi? Yeah, honestly, everywhere I go, people are like, yo, you look like Messi. I'm like, do I? They're like, yeah. I'm like, dude, chat, do I look like Messi?
Yeah, one of my boys said that.
No lie, that out of everyone everyone out there, for some reason people always be like, yo, you look like Messi. Yeah, George plays rugby. That's right. Yeah. Yeah, rugby's elite. All right, 4 hour coming back up here. Yeah, this is unfortunate too, because the 4 hour wick fill is in this range here. You know, maybe there's an opportunity in about 6 minutes if you get a closure above here. Oh, hey, at least he laughed about it. Messi looks like me. Yeah, some of these guys are on another level. These top pro elite athletes are on a whole nother level. Even when it comes to golf, you know, after you play, you see how good these guys really are. You're like, wow.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, look at that. So push down and then right back up here. Could that have been the 4 hour wick for us to keep juicing?
Yeah, man, professional sports are just like trading. You know, you gotta be the best, and it's all about performance. You gotta be excellent. It's gotta be a habit to be excellent in trading. You gotta perform every day, you know, to the T, and the way you perform is by following our setups, entries, and rules, you know. So, and to be the best, you're considered a pro. So I think it's the same in trading. I know where you're going with that, Nick.
Just doing a little thinking.
Not a bad idea either.
Nope, that ain't a bad idea. If you close above, if you close below, the sells might be in play here too. Never played golf? Yeah, man, golf's fun. Yeah, I'm playing this weekend again. I'm playing every weekend. Try and get some games during the week too. Hey, yesterday we played, it was perfect, man. There was nobody on the course. Nobody. Which team am I supporting? For what sport? I'm from New York, so I like a lot of New York teams. All right, so 3 minutes on the 15 closure here, 18 minutes on the 30. So we'll see what happens on the 15 and see if we got opportunities. If not, it'll be off to the 30 minute. Don't forget to record it. I won't.
Yeah, you will.
Like, hey, nah. I'll be like, yo, record this for me. Got to show it to my virtual coach.
Yeah, I need to record more of my swings too.
Yeah, John's a little robotic. You got anything for like a robot
Yeah.
swing? It gets the job
I
done.
come from baseball too.
Yeah, he's also a slugger coming from baseball, so.
Give me some tips, bro.
Can I get your journal link? Yeah, just hit exclamation point journal in the chat and it'll pop up for you. My soccer team, honestly, I don't watch enough to really have a team. Tennis is really good too. Tennis I like. There was a good movie, I think it was called Richard, right? Or something? Richard? Is that what that one movie was called? King Richard.
Yeah, I think so. King Richard.
King Richard, man. You guys gotta check that one out. That was a good movie. What up, Clinks? Got them snap cam. Hey, yo, from Best Buy. Sounds like, have you guys ever seen Ready Player One? Ready Player One? You gotta check that out. I met Andrew Tate yesterday. He wants to meet you, dude. Tell him pull up. That's actually a good tip, Anthony. Ready Player One. Yeah, good movie. Interesting movie, right? Kind of seems like where we're headed. Yeah, I'm not in love with these buys at all. I'm not in love with these. Price may push up here, but I'm not liking it too much.
Same. So close to that resistance.
You know, we are bullish here.
4 hour too.
Just don't have a good read on the buys, to be honest. There's a lot of resistance, rejections and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 30. If I am taking, I'm just gonna wait on the 30-minute here, 9:30. I don't hate them, but I don't love them. The buys here today, right now.
Gotta love it.
You nice on ping pong? Oh, I want to get nice on ping pong. We're gonna have a ping pong table in the TTE HQ. We're gonna have that. We're gonna have pool. Nice with the ping pong. Yeah, I love that one part in King Richard. He's like, whoever the famous person was or whatever, like, they're like, oh my, let's just use Tiger Woods as an example. Like, oh my God, Serena and her sister, like, that's Tiger Woods. And their dad so confidently says, like, this is how you want to bring your kids up, right? He goes, Tiger Woods is going to remember the day he met you two. You know what I mean? Like, making them feel so special, like, as if, like, you're there, like, thinking, oh my God, that's Tiger Woods. Nah, Tiger Woods is going to remember the day that he met you. You know, because that's the print that you're going to leave. And that's the mindset you want to instill into your children. Like, if you can get them young enough, they will truly believe you, right? And remember, anything is possible when you believe. So all you need is that belief. You put that, you instill that into your children, it's over.
That's where everything starts, in the mind.
Yeah. Yeah, if we can close below on the 30, I like that better.
Dang, bro, I do like the sells better. Because I feel like that daily is kind of trying to form resistance. Like, I really want it to, at least.
Yeah, and that 4 hour here, man. You know, like where else are we gonna go? Like, of course we can go up, right? But this does look like we may be in a area of potential rejection now. So this candle came from the bottom, right? Tapped into target, which is that resistance, and now this one can continue running for sure. But I think we need a closure above 24.30 there to really kind of say, okay, we're probably gonna break the high and run here. If not, you may reject in this overall zone and close bearish. Looking something like this.
Yeah, facts.
Currently on video 2 of Mark Douglas. Nice, yeah, Mark Douglas.
Let's go, Andrew. Hope you're enjoying it.
Marky Mark.
Stop thinking.
Stop thinking.
That was for me. I needed to hear that.
The problem is we still didn't reach the daily target. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm still open for buys above here. Because now you got, these are your all-time highs too. So I don't know if we'll really tap into that today. We could. But yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm still open to take buys above 30 here. But until then, you're pretty much chopping around in this range.
Yeah, it's a nasty range.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, those 4 videos from Mark Douglas are complete heat. Fire. I really like listening to those type of videos too, Andrew. Like while driving by nice houses, gets me in the feels. How to set TP and stop loss. What do you mean? Like, look left to get right, you know? Usually for the stop loss, I like to use the previous candle or current candle, and TP, I look left to get right. So I look left, see what the price is saying to me. Where is their rejection areas, and that's usually where I have like my TPs up, like by supports, resistance, around there. Will definitely give you the right mindset for this game. Yes, sir, Andrew. And I feel like that's really all to it. You know, when people are like have a good psychology in trading, like what does that mean, right? I feel like all it really means is that you have a good attitude and that you're thinking in probabilities. If you do that, that's a good psychology right there. Because we don't want to think in trading, right? Mark Douglas says stop thinking, right? What is there to think about? If you do an over analysis, it can hurt you more than help you, right? So when you know your setups, entries, your rules, your confirmations, what else is there to think about? All there is now is executing and doing, right? And the only thinking you do is in probabilities. And have a good attitude. You know, you want a good attitude in life as well. So you got to have a good attitude in trading and think in probabilities. If you got that down, the psychology is pretty good. Yeah, facts. Whoever asked how to set TP and stop loss, maybe go look at baby pips or something. Cause that's like different, you know. That could be different for every strategy, for every trade. Yeah, man. But if we keep it like as simple as that, right? You have an edge that you execute on, and you have a good psychology. You think in probabilities, and you have good risk management. That's all that matters, right? You can. That's the world is yours. If you got those three things locked down, the world is yours. Yeah, and risk management, that's not only, when you hear people talk about risk management, they're not only talking about like managing the trade, they're talking about like how you're managing your capital, your account size. Like what is your daily risk limit? How many losses do you have to take to stop trading? Or how many trades do you have to take to not trade anymore today? Things like that. What's your risk? Like that all goes about it. Risk management isn't just about managing the trade, but it's about managing your capital, preserving your capital because, the problem with making money isn't your ability to make it, it's your ability to keep it, right? That's the problem with making money. It's your ability to keep it. And if you want to keep your money, you got to have good money management skills. You got to be good with your money. So there. So those three things, right? You got an edge that you consistently execute on. You have psychology. You have a good attitude. You think in probabilities, and you got good risk management. The only thing else I could add to that list is acquire the capital if you lack it. Those things right there, though, if you can develop that and focus on those things, the world is yours. Have you entered? No, I'm waiting for the next best trade. I'm a big money loser. Yeah, maybe just size down. Size down. I feel like a lot of traders, like their ego's too big that they want to make more money. They're focused on making more money than they are on learning how to trade. Earn your size. I heard a good professional trader talking about, you want to earn your size. Stay at a money or a percentage level where you're good. That's good with your psychology. You can handle that loss if the trade doesn't work in your favor, and then prove to yourself that you're trading really good, and then you can up your size. Right? We want to earn our size as traders, especially the new beginners. Hey, it's been 3 years of trading, trying hard, being disciplined, and still can't win. Back tested everything, and I should win, but it's still not working. I don't know anymore. So yeah, if you have an edge that has backed up data proven to work, the edge should work. If it's not working, then you're not working it. So really, really hone in on those losses that you're taking. That's not making you win. And what are you doing? Like, are those losses good losses? Are those losses bad losses? Like, are you breaking your rules? Does the strategy not work? Because not every system works. You want to have a system that's proven to work with backed up data. So if your system's not working, maybe find a professional trader out there whose system is working and then work that system. But bro, every system out there it should work, right? That's why it's an edge. It should work. If it's not working, then you're not working it. But yeah, look over your trades, evaluate yourself as a trader. Maybe you aren't evaluating. And have a positive picture, point of view, perspective. Have a positive perspective on your evaluation as well. Don't be so negative.
And remember, time passes quickly in life, so enjoy it. Don't be
Facts.
too hard on yourself.
At the end of the day, none of this even matters, man. Like, this next trade I take, the last trade I took, whatever, doesn't matter, man, because life is risky and we're all gonna die. So let's just enjoy life.
All right, let's see what we do here. You may have let's see if you close above. If you close above, there's decent buys. If you don't, and let's say you make a bottom wick, then I'm still open for potential sells here. If you like close like right at it and then kind of come up and then break that low right there at 930, I think we can come down and potentially even fill that wick.
The lower time frames will give us clues on what the higher time frame is going to do next.
One minute and 50
Hey, appreciate that, Andrew.
Johnny Gems, ladies and gentlemen. Johnny Gems.
Nicky Stew. TTE, baby. To the moon.
To the moon. It's like Bitcoin. Sheesh, I might bring out the short. I might bring out the long. Who knows here, man?
Yo, Nick.
Who knows?
Impulse sell. Nobody know nothing.
Nobody knows nothing on these impulse sells, Scott. Nobody knows nothing.
God, nobody knows nothing.
I might take an impulse trade here, chat, but y'all didn't see it. No one knows nothing. Don't tell anyone, chat. I'm bringing all the guns out here. We buying, we selling.
Oh, it's pissing me off, man.
Oh, man.
How do you keep up with trading while working a 9 to 5? Your desire is a burning desire, and you just trade a session that is outside your work time.
Yeah, to be honest, I have no idea because I never really had a 9 to 5 for trading, so I wouldn't even know. But I would try and dedicate to a session that you can focus on. So whatever session that may be, I would try and stick with that. All right, so you did close bullish. You know, you do have this wick to fill. You are in the range. There's you know, probably about a 14 pips. I don't like the buy. I'm still not comfortable with buys until we get above 24.30. But there's that lower wick that we were talking talking about. So if you can break the high, push up a bit and fail to fill this wick, I think there's a good entry right here for that wick right there to be filled. But we don't want to come too low here. We want to see if we could break the high, because that wherever that low is an impulse entry. All right, cool. There it is. So I'm gonna have a sell stop. Lower risk on this. Lower risk. Yeah, this is an impulse trade, impulse idea here. The fact that the 4 hour has potentially tapped into target right in this area, in this wick area. The 1 hour has done that as well. We don't have a closure above at all here. 30-minute is right at resistance, like 14 pips. So we may get stopped right here, right? Hold up here and then break that low to continue driving down. So it is an impulse entry. It's a bit of a riskier entry. It's going against certain time frames as well. But we would be basically depending on volume to break that low and drive. So this is exactly what I wanted to see it do. Now, if we break the low, we should be good. Stops are going to be kept above the highs here, above that wick fill. If you're scared, don't do it. I'm not risking too much here. Basically just probably gonna risk like my profits from earlier and see if we can double them up. Skirt. This is one of those target tapped type of ideas where we're betting on price kind of moving in the opposite direction with volume. So yeah, there it is. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get this one. Very curious to get some data on this, and that's why I want to execute.
Sizing down
But
too.
very dangerous trade. Very dangerous because we can make that low and come back up and break the highs and go for it. So this is a very risky trade, but I personally want to collect some data here. So that's why I'm in. Took the impulse entry last year or last week. It was all good just a week ago. For a new trader, building a system is very hard because it can be very confusing. I think the best way for a newbie is to find an indicator. Yeah, whatever works best. You know, everything's individualized. So if you need indicators, use them. If not, don't. You know, everyone's going to learn a little bit different. Everyone's got a little bit of a different, you know, way of learning, the way their brain works. So yeah, whatever works best for you. There is no right or wrong here in this game. You know, whatever works best for you individually is, you know, the approach that you want to take.
Yo, Lisa, that's funny.
Got him clapped. It was a wrap. It was a wrap. So the issue here comes this support now, right? Can we push through that support is the main question here. We tapped into it. Will we keep driving? That's gonna be tough, but we do have volume here, so we'll see.
I hope it does, bro, because I'm waiting for 15 to get below there. So
Closure below, yeah.
Hope it works for you.
Yeah, 15 close below would be good too. That would be another sign indicating that, you know, we could potentially move down from here. Let's see. Got in and out of this trade. Nice. Boom, boom, boom. Waiting for 10 a.m. Good, good. Yeah, we may be stuck in the range here. Let's see.
It's pretty much B for you anyways, because you got your profit today.
Yep. So let's see. We're making decent price action here on the 5, but you know, you got this support here, so. Room for you? Hey, thanks, bro. Yeah, this is me doing some active sample sizing too on these impulse entries, heavy in heavy volume times. So we'll see. Impulse entries are always going to be like in that 50-50 ballpark, but we're trying to see if we can get a better read on them to actually increase the win rate on impulse entries. So we will see.
What's up, YOLO Trader?
Yeah, already took a win here, so just risking some of my profits from earlier, which is fine for me.
Yeah, notice Nick's risking small too when he's sample sizing.
Yeah, but it's not looking good, right? Broke the lows there, but didn't really follow through. Doom, doom. Yeah, you also have like closures above 24.30 are really nice for buys. But until then, I don't like the buys too much. Not too much at all. I took an impulse here, yeah, on the idea that the 4 hour and the 1 hour have kind of tapped into target, but this is very risky as I'm going against both of those time frames here.
Yes, sir, Green.
Disclaimer. Disclaimers. Got to put disclaimers out there. If it closes bull, do we manage? Yeah, potentially, especially if we close above here. But we'll see. We got 6 minutes left. 5 minute pumping up here. Pumping, pumping. Yeah, we had about 14 pips. That was it. So I knew that this support would be a bit tough. I was looking to go break even if we can push through it a bit, but not yet. So didn't get a chance to go BE just yet. Any sample sizing with silver? Nah, just gold. This is mainly a just a sample size impulse entry. Green hit him with a disclaimer. Thanks, Green. Disclaimer. Yeah, not much moving here for 9:30 as of just yet. Still 4 minutes left. Hey, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you're not in our free Discord, we're going to start doing giveaways in the Discord. So be sure to join the free Discord that we got. That's coming up soon. We're going to be doing most of our giveaways through there. That way there's no confusion on YouTube and all that good stuff. Yeah, exclamation point Discord in the chat.
Oh, let's go, bro. You still in?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a couple times a week we'll do these 25K challenge account giveaways thanks to Top One Trader. They give us some accounts to give away, and I would say every Friday we usually do giveaways. Sometimes we'll do them during the week too, but you never know when they can come about. I may look at like the highest activity players too in the Discord and like just start doing some giveaways there too. I think that would be dope. Yeah, I want to get this Discord jumping again. It's a good community here, a lot of good traders. So I think it's important, especially when we get off the live stream. There's a whole community in here, so community. Discord's a vibe. It's a vibe. Sell time? Maybe. I'm in on an impulse entry. So I think the best sells are going to be if this candle can actually close bearish or below the range here would be even better, right? For sells to play out on the next candle coming down. So I'm in on an impulse expecting some volume here, but haven't really seen much. Create the stage. Yeah, we're gonna create the stage and all that stuff too. We got it. We got this. Volume comes in late nowadays. It does. Comes in around like 10, 10:30. Discord's a vibe, yeah. Yeah, the stage channel, I'm gonna link up with the mods and we're gonna talk about all that pretty soon.
Yeah, we gotta do a mod trip.
Hey, let this be one where it's like, all right, chat, I just deleted. Gone.
One more minute. Close below that level for us. Here we go.
All right, I'm gonna close this and now wait for this candle to close here. Yeah, 1.4%. Got about 27 pips on that. Yeah, I want to see if this candle can close below now. $30 seconds. So I closed 20, I think it was 25 pips, 26 pips. Yeah, if this candle closed below though, we could really rip down here, but this is an important closure. W's in the chat, hey, W's in the chat on the impulse trade. We do a little impulse sample sizing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, man, no closure. No closure. Let's see how we do here. W's in the chat. Who took it? Anyone took it with me? Made sense, right? I think this can still drive down here. I would have much rather had a closure below, but I think we could still drive down. Our only thing now is that non-closure, but it could still work out. Chat, you guys are fun.
Don't drive.
You took it? Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, 27 pips. It didn't even feel like 27. Yes. Oh, Susanna took it. Let's go. W. I took it. Nice. Took it. Oh, nice. Makes much sense, right? Yeah. So, you know, the reason for it is logical, right? It's not just one of those where we're like really taking a big, I mean, it is a riskier trade, right? Don't get me wrong, because we're betting against the actual, you know, candle in front of us, but we're doing it with a logical reason, being that, hey, this could be where we start to reject from, right? This is the 4-hour target. We came into this area. This is all like wick area up here. Lots of rejections, right? You would expect the 4-hour to break that high and go if it really wanted to. Plus the 1-hour also tapped into target here. And then the 30-minute, you know, it was well explained before the candle opened, is that we want to see a pump up because this pump right here activates buyers, right? There was a lot of buyers that got activated basically on the break of the current candle high, which was right here. And they're probably still going to be right, you know, but a lot of times is the market will come down and stop those traders out, right? And either push back up or begin to drive down from this overall rejection area here. So that was kind of like what the bet was about. And yeah, worked out. And that's it. Impulse entries, you want to snag like 15, 20 pips. I think I got 25 there. So you want to be in that range like when it's an impulse entry. Almost gave me a heart attack. Took it, got 26 pips. Nice job. It's definitely risky. Yep. Yep. Lustef. Yeah, and that's why I want to skate out of there, because I wasn't sure if we would close below. So while we were down there, you know, with 4 or 5 seconds or whatever it was, 10 seconds left on the candle, close it, and then there may be another trade. But you can't take another entry until you get another trade. So that now would be if, like, let's say the next candle closed below, now you have another trade available to take sells. Right now, I don't like buys. I don't like buys anywhere below 24.30 here. Didn't take the trade, but made sense. Yeah, it's okay to let those go, right? Because you wanna watch me. Let me be the, you know, the scapegoat for you, right? Let me go ahead and test these because I've seen them a little bit more than you, right? So we're on the same road. I may just be a little bit ahead in terms of like how much times I've paid attention to that target tapped concept. So now as I teach it and bring it up and begin to trade it, you guys will also become more familiar with the idea, and then you begin to execute on low risk. You know, you don't want to just take a trade because I'm taking the trade. That would be silly. You know, that would be foolish. But if you understand those trades, go ahead and take them. Your hands are cold. Yep, I agree. Purpose. Time for glory to the Father. Yeah. So, John.
Hey man, I'm not leaving the desk till I get another trade, chat.
Holy. It's gonna be a long day.
Be a long day.
Win number 18 of the month, man. W.
Stuff.
168.
Stefan, I think, brother, I think you should just start living in the present moment. You know, because you're stressing yourself out about thinking about the future because we can't control what our future is, right? We can only just live the day that we have today. So don't be in the past, don't be in the future, just stay present. And, you know, if you have a goal that you want to hit in the future, mind, just focus on in the present moment, becoming that type of person to attract that goal, right? So that when the future catches back up, you know, since you've been becoming that person in the present moment, you will become that person in the future. So I would say don't stress yourself out, bro, thinking about the future, because you can get anxious. You can't control what's gonna happen. So just stay in the present moment and just focus on the today. You know, it also says in the Bible, you know, don't worry about tomorrow. You know, that will worry about itself. So just stay focused about today. We'll just stay present.
Yep. And if you really want to get a good idea about what your future is, just go to your Bible right now, open it up to the book of Jeremiah, go to the 29th chapter, read verse 11, and there's your future. Right? There's your future. Those are the plans that the Lord has for you. So there's no need to worry. There's no need to stress. What does the Bible say? Worry not, right? But pray about everything with gratitude and thanksgiving that it's already done for you.
Yeah, facts.
Already done.
Nothing's guaranteed, but the only thing that's guaranteed is whatever you sow, you shall reap. And also that what's guaranteed is you're in God's control, right? So if you just sow correctly, if you're putting in the work every day, you know, you'll reap the rewards, bro. That's what's guaranteed. So, yeah.
Yeah, man. I remember the first time I really got Jeremiah 29:11 came to my attention. I said, that's it. I said, looked at my wife. I said, honey, that's it. We've got a bright future ahead of us. Like, look at this. Look at the promise right here. And from that, we just chose to believe. You know, that's all you have to do is choose to believe.
And in the gospel, you know, the eyewitnesses of Jesus Christ's life, Jesus only did healings on people who actually believed, you know. So if you want him to do a work in your life, really believe in him and his word, and that he can do a work in your life. And then I think he will.
Mm-hmm. right? How many times do you say your faith has made you well, right?
Oh, man.
You believe you could do it? All right, then let's do it. He's all about it. You just got to believe. You're the only variable.
Yep. That's facts. No, John chasing the markets. I'm definitely not chasing the markets, Spence. When I say like I'm not leaving until I get a trade, what I mean by that is I'm just gonna be sitting here waiting for my setup.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna be chasing nothing. I'm gonna be patiently waiting for the setup, and then I'll execute.
Yeah, don't forget about the woman who touched the hem of Jesus, right? She was bleeding for 12 years, I believe. Just continuous bleeding. Went to all the doctors. She was shamed in her neighborhood. I could just imagine her husband probably left her. I'm sure she was going through a lot, right? But she still believed. And, you know, that day when Jesus came to town, she knew if she could just touch the hem, just his shirt, right, that she would be fully healed. And she was, right? She was. And what did he say? Daughter, your faith, right, has made you well. Because imagine, you know, Jesus was gaining a lot of popularity at that time. He was doing a lot of work, right? And he was gaining a big following. So at that point, man, everyone was touching Jesus and bumping into him. It's like, imagine you're a famous musician or a rock star or whatever, you know, when they go somewhere, there's a big crowd, right? That's how it was around Jesus. People flocked to him. They seen him doing miracles, heard of him doing miracles, seen the signs and all that stuff. So they were gathered around him. So that day that the woman touched him, everyone was touching him, right? Everyone was touching him, but how come not everyone received a healing or a miracle? Because not everyone believed, right? But the one who did believe did receive the miracle. And Jesus told her, daughter, your faith has made you well. That's all it was. So just have faith, man. Just
Faith, bro.
Yeah. Trust that God has a plan for your life. Go read 29th chapter of Jeremiah and read it over and over and over again all week long till it resonates in your heart.
Yeah, because why would God even want to do a work in your life if you don't even believe? You know, that's hella important.
Mm-hmm.
Very important. That belief in Jesus is what gets us to heaven too. So belief in Jesus is pretty important to God.
If you could just touch Nick's keyboard. Yeah, I talked about that story last week or something too. And good old Jarius, what a patient man. He was he had some status, you know, he was like a religious leader in a way. I think he worked in the synagogues and stuff, and he came to Jesus. His daughter was dying. And Jesus was like, all right, I got you, but hold on, someone touched me. You know, and blessed Jairus' heart, man. He waited there patiently, even though his daughter died, and, you know, Jesus brought her back to life. I mean, it's just so many miraculous stories built upon faith. And that same power that's within Christ lives within you. It's a beautiful thing. B-E-A, beautiful thing.
Appreciate you, Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah, really need a closure here.
Yeah, I don't know. Right now we're stuck in the range here now. See how we're kind of just messing around here in the range? So yeah, I think that was a smart closure on my end. What time is it? Is it 10 yet? Almost 10. Wow, that was a long 15 minutes.
Kind of bounce between these ranges until we get a closure out of it.
Yeah. The same power that raised Christ from the dead. Yeah, exactly. It is within you. Trust me, I know from experience, right? I truly believe in the power of the Holy Spirit, the power of healing, and I have so many testimonies to when my wife and I were trying to have babies and wasn't working, to when Maverick was born, he had some issues going on, completely healed right away. It just so many things. I could sit here and preach all day, man. All day. I could sit here all day and tell you how good God has been, man. And also, that doesn't mean all the time it was fine and dandy. There was a lot of struggle, a lot of heartache, heartbreak, but all in all, our God is so good. So good. Posted another one of my tats in Discord. Okay. Let's take a look. Where we at? Where are we doing the tats? Discord. Art, right? Yeah, let's see. Oh, not finished yet. Oh, leg tats. I got 2 leg tats. Got this around Christmas last year. Nice. Oh, cool. I like it. That's fire. Fire. A lot of you guys got nice tattoos, man. My new tattoo, I posted it in the art section. Yeah, I started the tattoo trend there. All right. Will the 4-hour continue to reject, or will we move bullish? We're not leaving until Johnny Boy gets a trade.
Hey, it needs to be a good trade, though. I'm not out here chasing unnecessary trades. I'm patiently waiting for a good trade.
Yo, TTE logo. I was actually thinking about doing it. Thinking about it. Facts. Yeah, there's nothing you can tell me. I had a personal encounter with Jesus Christ. There's legit nothing you can say. It doesn't matter, right? I've had a personal encounter. I've personally seen miracles done to me, through me, and all around. So there's legit nothing anyone could say. There she blows. Yeah. Why don't you ask Raja about Jesus? You took trading. No, I go to the Word. I don't ask man for advice on Christ. I ask Christ for advice on Christ. NAS, let's take a look. Yeah, NAS came down hard. Now it's coming back up. You got no bottom wick here, though. No bottom wick. 15-minute little chippy too.
Do no bottom wicks and we just drive down. Bro, we need some more action with NAS. I don't get any more action. I'm throwing that off the bus.
Get out of here, NAS. Yeah, so the 1 hour closed up here. So we did close bullish. Again, no closure back above that range. That tells me we're not trying to move up right now. The 30-minute did close bearish here as well. 15 closed bullish. So at this point, like I said, you're just ranging now. Right? You're literally just ranging. See this? See this will happen over here? So I think anything within this range is no bueno. But you got decent traffic coming up towards 36 here. And then you've got a nice clean range coming down towards 24.20. Those are probably the 2 trading ranges that I would stick to here moving forward today. Everything else, not that good. Might be time to exercise. Who said I only took one book? I've studied the Quran as well.
But the Quran points to Jesus. But what does Jesus say? I don't know. That's in the Bible.
I did read the Quran. See, that's the thing. I'm well equipped, my friend. Well equipped. We should have a great conversation off stream. Well equipped, right? I'm looking for the truth. I'm not looking for a religion. I'm looking for truth. Ask Raja about time for some push-ups. Yeah, it might be time to hit the gym.
Yeah, bro. I'm just gonna be patiently waiting.
Patiently waiting for a trade to explode. What do you think, chat? What do you think?
You gonna call it?
Kind of want to stick around a little bit longer. Hey, I love you too, Chama. Chama. Same to you, brother. Hopefully our God, the God of all, points us directly to the truth. That's all we could ask for. I'll be praying for you, my friend.
Yeah, I like what George Janko says. He says, pray to your God to help your friend get you the truth, and we'll pray to our God to help you get to the truth.
Yep. And hopefully we meet somewhere.
Yep.
Hopefully. Nick's looking for the hat trick. Yo. Hat trick might come off stream. I don't know. We still got another 25 minutes.
I'm gonna wait. I was thinking about the 15, but I don't know. I think the 30 may be better for me.
What time is it? 10, right? 10 a.m.
There is more. If there was maybe like a yellow folder, I would be down.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna dip off. I think I'm gonna sit on my hands a little bit here, wait for this range to kind of break out, because you may range here for another 25, 35 minutes before you get something to actually move outside the range here. So yeah, I think we're gonna call it. What do you say, Chad?
Yeah,
Great day. 2 for 2 here. Took one trade yesterday. Took a W. 2 trades here today. 2 W's. 2 great positions. 1 awesome sample size move that just looking to collect data on. And yeah, now we can move on and wait for the next best opportunity that presents itself. Yeah.
Good.
What do you say, John?
And we shall do the same thing tomorrow.
Yes, sir. All right, cool. Let's do it. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Thanks for having me, bro.
Yes, sir. John, good luck moving forward. Maybe I can squeeze maybe I can get a hat trick here today. We'll see. But,
thanks, bro. I don't see why not.
Yeah, thanks for coming by, man. Dropping gems.
Yes, sir, thanks for having me. Sir,
Yeah.
I'll give you a call later.
All right, sounds good, bro.
All right, bet. Chad, I hope you guys have an incredible, blessed day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Later, Gator.
Peace.
All right, chat. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream today. Hopefully you learned a little bit. Hopefully you got some trades in and were able to collect some data of your own. And now we move on to the next day. So we'll come back tomorrow and do the same thing all over again. And until then, love y'all. Have a great one. Be blessed. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. And I'm out of here. Enjoy the never-ending, overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God, man. Love y'all. Be great. I'm out.
Pushing to the limit cause I'm never gone for. Steady prayer, come music, put me on time. I can start swing when I wanna shake with the word. Tears and times every day in my heart. Got down, but I still be going in hard. Cherry destruction, stick on one side. Heaven is the ghost, I'm sitting taking my shot. And it's I believe, how the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die. He saved my soul from getting defeated, saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. So this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sinning is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Cause the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest. So man, I won't let the enemy rest.